The baby chicken. The baby chicken. I love baby chicken. It's a small and so cute. I love chicken. And the chicken has 2 eyes and 1 mouth and 2 feet. And I see a flower. Look at the baby duck. The baby duck has color yellow. I see the baby duck has 2 eyes and 1 mouth and 2 feet. Look, the baby duck. Baby duck. I love duck. I know
What is a baby duck?
here.
Unicorn. Baby dog is
Is puppy. Baby puppy is duck. Is baby duck is puppy.
and baby duck is
Duck is duckling. Look at the baby cat. I love cat. It's so cute. It's so small. I love cat.
Unicorn. Baby cat is
It's kitten. A baby cat are kittens. Look, a baby goat.
not goat. I think go, not goat.
A baby goat.
Not baby goat. Not goat.
It's baby sheep. A baby sheep is color white.
Unicorn. Baby sheep is
Is lamb.
okay.
Is 2 eyes and 2 ears and 1 nose. I see 1 tail and
Mm,
4 legs.
very good.
Look at baby.
What are animals?
Is a baby.
What is animals?
Is
What is animals?
is
What the sounds? The sound.
egg.
Yes. What is animals? You forget it. A.
Pig.
Okay.
A pig. I see 1 nose and 2 ears
Hmm.
and
Baby pig.
4
You know?
get picnic.
Okay. Piglet. Hmm.
I don't know. What is this?
Do you know? What animal? It can fly in the sky.
Ah! It's a butterfly.
Really? Is a butterfly?
Fly.
Is butterfly? What animal is this?
It's bee. Bee.
Is it bee? Not bee. It can fly. What animal is this? Hmm?
I don't know.
You read? You can see and freeze the word.
Is it
Not E.
I?
What animal beginning with B? Let B.
Bee. It's bee.
It can fly. It lay eggs.
Ah.
It lives in a nest.
Ah. It's a bird.
Yes.
A bird has two wings.
Very good.
I can see color is yellow. It's a black
And
and yellow.
mm,
It's a flower.
yes.
I love pink.
Mm.
A bird, a chicken, a duck, a dog, a cat, the lamb, and the pig. Oink, oink. Bye bye.
You say goodbye, everyone.
Bye bye, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye next time.
See you next time.
See you next time. Bye bye.